You are going to love the 2022 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, trailering package, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, navigation system, heated steering wheel, HD radio, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.